Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fry Oven DT251 Review. The Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fry Oven DT251 is thoughtfully designed to give you lots of cooking options and for ease of use. The Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Oven DT251 did a good job of air frying Brussels sprouts, chicken wings, breaded chicken and homemade French fries, but was poor at frozen French fries. It roasted a whole chicken beautifully and produced a satisfactory result when broiling burgers. It excelled when it came to baking a cake and cookies, and it reheated a frozen pizza perfectly. White bread was toasted up evenly, but bagels didn't brown as well. The Ninja automatically goes into a preheat mode, which is always just 1 minute and 30 seconds. Once the preheat is up, it automatically starts to count down the cooking time, so you have to have your food ready before you start preheating. Like all toaster oven air fryers, the Ninja comes with a shallow air frying basket for cooking a single layer of food at a time. Although it didn't receive perfect scores for air frying Brussels sprouts, homemade French fries, panko-crusted chicken breasts, and chicken wings, it did brown and crisp the majority while keeping them moist and tender. It's worth noting that some pieces were dry inside, however. Using the whole roast setting, we roasted a whole chicken in just 50 minutes. It came out golden brown and crispy on the outside and delectably moist and tender on the inside. We cooked 4 4-ounce hamburgers on the broil setting and didn't get the kind of browning we'd expect from broiling, although the burgers came out juicy. The Ninja really shone at baking a yellow cake in a 9-inch pan. The cake came out well risen with a golden brown top and a moist and tender crumb. Chocolate chip cookies took surprisingly long to bake, 15 minutes, and came out only lightly browned, but were moist and delicious inside. A frozen 12-inch pizza came out absolutely perfect. On top it was lightly browned with evenly melted cheese, and the bottom was crisp. On light, medium, and dark toast settings, the Ninja made perfect toast, evenly browned and appropriately colored for the setting. The oven is large enough to not only toast 9 slices of bread at once, but it also browns them evenly. On medium, bagels didn't toast as uniformly or come out at the shade you'd expect for a medium doneness, however. The Ninja has a unique setting called Air Roast, which is designed for cooking 2 foods at once on 2 different racks. On the bottom rack, using the roast tray set on a sheet pan, we cooked 2 1-pound pork tenderloins, while on a higher rack, in the air fryer basket, we cooked 2 pounds of broccoli. In just 35 minutes, the pork came out browned as well as moist and tender, and the vegetables lightly browned and tender crisp. It took 70 minutes for a casserole of macaroni and cheese to reheat to a serving temperature on the reheat setting. But once it was hot, the keep warm setting kept it that way for a full hour without drying it out. Using the dehydrate setting, we turned 12 ounces of sliced strawberries into fruit chips. Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fry Oven DT251, ease of use and cleaning. All of the controls as well as the digital readout are contained on the handle, where they are at eye level and easy to read/reach. The buttons are very responsive to the touch, and the oven is completely intuitive to program. When you select one of the 10 functions, the panel tells you which oven rack position to use. Along with the oven, you get 2 oven racks, an air fryer basket, a roast tray, 2 sheet pans, and a removable crumb tray. The Ninja has a light inside the oven for keeping an eye on the progress. As it cooks, the glass door gets exceptionally hot, reaching temperatures as high as 282 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the handle with the controls stays cool enough to use during cooking. This oven is fairly noisy when it's running, with a dBA reading of 61.3, that's about as loud as an electric toothbrush. This was on par with the loudest toaster oven we tested. None of the parts are coated with a non-stick finish. Although the manufacturer says the racks and air fryer basket are dishwasher safe, it recommends hand washing them. All of the parts were fairly easy to clean by hand. The use and care guide that comes with this oven is exceptionally thorough. It comes with a recipe book with detailed instructions as to how to use the settings and cooking charts. Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Fry Oven DT251 Review. Verdict. The Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven DT251 gives you lots of functionality, and because of its innovative design, it was the easiest to use of all of the toaster ovens we tested. Although at 17 by 20 by 13 inches it will require a good chunk of countertop space in your kitchen, it's well worth it if you're looking for an oven that can serve you at every meal. It does everything from toasting bread, to heating frozen pizza, to baking and roasting perfectly. Plus, it can air fry, which means you get the functionality of several appliances in one package. From baking a cake to making beef jerky, this machine has so many different cooking options. It's a slightly bigger machine than I had originally thought, but it is perfect nonetheless. I am able to cook meats on the bottom rack and veggies above for dinner, and everything comes out great. Compared to our winning toaster oven, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, the Ninja scored better for cooking chicken wings and toast. However, the Breville was better with frozen French fries. The overall score was close though, and the Ninja is $100 cheaper, making it well worth your consideration.